Hey guys, so me and my sister, or Lizzywantsacookie, we're gonna be doing a collab thing today. Basically for my channel, what we're gonna do is the Fart Soundboard Challenge, which is inspired by the beautiful Mamrie Hart and Daily Grace. Yeah. So basically, there's this fart soundboard online, and each different fart has a different name to it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna play ones. We're just gonna pick random ones. We're gonna say the name and then play it. If the other person laughs at the name or the fart, they have to take a shot. But if they don't, then you have to take a shot. First person that takes 3 shots is out. Because this is a drinking game and we are both underage, we cannot do alcohol.
So we're doing water.
Or vodka.
Yeah, vodka.
Let's get this shit started. I think I'm gonna start off with the champagne cork.
Oh my god. I told you I was gonna be too childish for this shit.
Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay.
I think I'm going to do.
My bad.
Goo goo doo doo.
Play again. I did it!
Damn it. I so thought she was gonna laugh the first time.
Yeah, we're gonna skip out on the if they don't laugh, you have to take a shot thing, so that's just gonna be the world's shortest video. Alright. I'm gonna go with mudslide.
Oh my god.
One more time.
I did it!
Nice. Alright, my turn.
Let's try Bugle Boy. Again. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
So we're both 1-1.
1-1. Okay. Let's go with the Dale Earn fart.
Oh my god. Damn it.
2-1, bitch. Haha.
Shut up. One more and I lose. Crap. Okay, Oprah Winfrey. Okay.
Alright.
Oprah Winfrey. Again. Aw. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna try not to laugh at this one because that means I lose.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Ready?
Yeah.
BMX laps.
I did it!
I repeat,
Yeah,
BMX laps.
I did it!
What are we, 2 for 1?
Yeah, because
2 for 1. Alright.
yeah. Okay. Let's do Anus Madness.
Why is it so long?
2-2, bitch.
It's too you. Wow.
Wait, what the hell? Okay, so we're 2-2.
Alright, this one's for the win.
Next one to laugh loses.
Touche.
Damn it! I lose. Will you stop it? I lost.
I win, bitches.
Shut the fuck up.
I will see all you lovelies
Okay.
Sunday.
On my channel, we did something a little less farty. We did the sibling tag. This should be good. So, link is in the description. Bye.